Welcome to SKU Grid Videos. In this video, we will guide you through the process of connecting your Amazon Marketplace to your SKU Grid account. Let's begin by logging into your SKU Grid account. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Settings tab. From there, select Marketplaces. Next, click on Connect New Marketplace. Choose Amazon and your respective country. For our example, we will choose the United States. Click Save. Next, we need to connect Amazon's API. Click Connect. You will then be directed to log in to your Amazon Central account. After logging in, select the Terms and Services checkbox and click Confirm. Congratulations, you have now successfully connected your Amazon API. It is now time to set up your pricing formula by clicking on Launch Pricing Wizard. Set your desired numbers and then click Close and Apply. Don't forget to save settings. That's it. You have now connected your Amazon Marketplace to SKU Grid. You are now ready to add new items or import items from Amazon. Thank you for choosing to watch our tutorial. We hope that it has been informative, and we wish you a prosperous selling experience with SKU Grid.